there and welcome back. Today's video we are going to be doing a Jeffree Star unboxing. So we have here two of his Valentine's Day mystery boxes. I got the deluxe one and then also the regular size. So we are going to compare them, see how the products compare to each other, see what I got in my boxes. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. My first order from Jeffree Star. I have never purchased from him before, like his cosmetic line, anything from him. So this is kind of like my first impressions on the brand in general, like ordering and everything like that. So I will be doing a follow-up video like testing Jeffree Star products, so definitely stay tuned for that. But we, in today's video, are just going to be unboxing the boxes. And I am not going to lie, I've been watching a couple of the unboxings. I've seen quite a few, and it seems like everyone is getting the same products in their large bags and then also the smaller boxes. So I kind of feel like for a mystery box, like it should have a variety of products, you know, like a little bit of something different in every single box. And I've seen a lot of boxes be the same. So I'm hoping in mine I do have a bit of variety from the ones that I've already seen, but I guess we will see. So I'm going to start with the smaller box first. This was a $40 box, and then I also purchased the deluxe one, and that one was $75. So in total, my total was $115 for both of the boxes. So in the first box here, we have a pop socket. So this is just a Jeffree Star pop socket. It is red. I believe these are coming in all of the boxes. So that is the first item that I do have inside of here. Up next, we have a Velour liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Can't Relate, which I will go ahead and pull out. So here is the packaging on that one. I think that this is just like a regular liquid lipstick, I believe. So I will go ahead and swatch this shade. Ooh, that's pretty. So this is like a nude shade, and so I think I will actually wear that one. So there is the shade Can't Relate. I've heard really good things about his formula of liquid lipsticks. I've never tried anything from the brand, like I said, so this is going to be a full first impressions type of video. I also want to do like a follow-up testing out his products, so I will definitely do that. So up next we have a lip ammunition, and this one is in the shade Starfish. So I will pull that out. Here is the packaging on that one, and then here is the shade Starfish. So it's just going to be like a more bubblegum pink shade. I will swatch it. I don't know that I would necessarily rock that shade. It's just a little bright for me, but I mean, it's fun, I feel like. So far I am seeing the same thing that I've seen other people get. So the next up we have the shade Trigger. This is another one of his liquid lipsticks, and this one is just going to be like a deep, oh wow, like burgundy purple shade. I don't want to swatch that one because I know I'm not going to probably keep that shade, but there is that one. And then we also have another Velour liquid lipstick, and this one is in Watermelon Soda. So definitely a lot of lip products in this little mystery bag. Here is what Watermelon Soda looks like. I will go ahead and swatch this one. So this one's just kind of, ooh, that's kind of fun. It's like a red, but it's more of like a corally red. So there's that. And then we also have one more product in here, and it is a Skin Frost. And this one is in the shade Deep Freeze, which I believe is just like a blue highlight, if I am remembering correctly. Oh no. All right, well, I think we had a casualty here because it looks like, oh no, mine is shattered. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm afraid to even open this because I feel like it's gonna be bad. All right, let me get a towel here and let me wipe off the highlight and hope that it's not completely shattered. Like maybe I just had, I don't even know. I definitely think this is gonna be broken though. Let me pull it out. So I'm kind of afraid to open this because I have a feeling it's probably, yeah, it's definitely shattered, like completely shattered. Oh, that sucks. Wow, okay, so yeah, this is kind of a bummer for me. That really sucks. So this is completely shattered. So that one is Blue Frost, so that would be what that one is. I'm hoping I can contact customer service and hopefully, I don't know, get a new one for that one because that one did come damaged. So that was everything that was in the $40 box. Apart from the fact that the highlighter is broken, I feel like you got a decent amount of products in there. Definitely got your money's worth with the lip products. I do like all three of these shades. Like I said, there was one that I probably wouldn't wear. And honestly, I probably wouldn't wear this pink one either. But I mean, for the two, I feel like you got two liquid lipsticks that I would wear. And then the pop socket. I probably won't use the pop socket, but I can sell it or something like that. And then we have the next box. So this one is the $75 one. So I am looking forward to seeing what is inside of this one. Okay, so opening up this one, we do have another pop socket in here. We we also have a Skin Frost. So this one is in the shade Regina George. I have been seeing everyone either get like this Skin Frost or the blue one that I got shattered. I guess I don't know, like I'm feeling like if these products are the same as the other Lucky Bags, like I feel like there should be more of a variety. Like it seems like you either get one shade or the other shade and then the same lip products across the board. I feel like there should be like a little bit different, like a little bit more variety when it comes to getting like Lucky Boxes. But here is that highlight right there, which is a bright pink highlight. I was hoping to get something a little bit more wearable when it came to this formula because I've heard really good things about that. And then we have Frozen Peach, and this one is one of the Supreme Frosts. So I've seen people swatch this one and it didn't really look that amazing, but I guess I will go ahead and try this one out. I don't think it's the same formula. I think it's a little bit of a different formula than the bigger pan ones. I don't really know because like I said, I've never really purchased much from him. So this one definitely does look more wearable. So I will go ahead and swatch that one. So there's that one. Definitely not that beaming, but I will definitely give it a try. Maybe I can build it up. It looks a little bit glittery on my hands, but I will be curious to try this one out. So there's that one again. That one was in the shade Frozen Peach. And I'm assuming these are probably the same shades. Yeah, so we have Gargoyle, which is going to be like I've seen people swatch this one as like a taupey shade. I'm kind of bummed, honestly. It looks like I got literally the exact same shades that everyone else got. But okay, so here's the packaging on that one. And here's that, so it's just like a taupey brown shade. I definitely won't be wearing that one, so I'm not going to swatch that one. We also have Self Control, which is going to be like a purple shade. And here's what Self Control looks like. And then inside of here, we also have this one, which is Doll Parts, which is a like pinky shade. I feel like I've seen these all swatched, so I'm not going to really swatch much of them. Maybe I'll swatch this one, but here is what Doll Parts looks like. It's a more kind of a like pinkier, like a deeper pink shade. So there's that shade. And then we also have Crocodile Tears, which is going to be a green shade. And this one is again the Velour liquid lipstick. So here's Crocodile Tears, definitely like a Christmas green for sure. And then the last product is a lip product, and this one is in the shade Dominatrix, and I believe this is like a brown shade. I'm so bummed that highlight was broken. They have it like literally all over my hands. So let me pull this one out. So this is just going to be like a brown lip liner. Definitely cool packaging on all of his products. So there's what that one looks like. And then the last thing in here is going to be the shirt. So everyone got the same shirt. This is the Can't Relate t-shirt. I got mine in the size medium. I'm probably just going to throw this on my Poshmark because I don't really necessarily see me wearing this. But yeah, check out my Poshmark if you guys want to check out that. But I don't know, like I think I'm pretty disappointed in this. I knew I kind of would be because watching everyone else's videos, like I said, I kept seeing everyone get the same thing, and I don't know, I feel like for a mystery bag, like you should have included a few different products. Like pretty much what I seen, everyone got the same lip products, but maybe one was different or like a different lip liner in here. And they got the same highlights, maybe different one highlight, like you got the blue one or you got the Regina George. So I don't know, I kind of was going into this video already knowing like how I was going to feel because I had a feeling I was going to get the same boxes everyone else was getting. So I just kind of feel like if you're going to do a mystery box, then kind of switch it up. If you want to just sell like a box of your products, then maybe just say like you can get this different variations. Like it looks like I've only seen like 2 different variations of what you can get. So maybe say like this is 1 box, this is 2 box, because I probably wouldn't have ordered this based upon the colors that are in here. So that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down below. I will definitely try out some of these products. I'm excited to have some of his products to test out. I know you guys are always asking me to review some of his products. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys did end up getting one of these boxes, what you got in yours, or if you've seen a different variation, let me know. Like I said, I've seen quite a few videos, so I haven't seen any other ones, but let me know if you guys have seen someone get like a palette or a different variation than what I just showed. I would love to know down below. Give this one a thumbs up if you did like it. Also, stay tuned for a testing Jeffree Star products video. That will definitely be coming your way soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.